Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix screen not responding to touch in Moto G77. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power icon, click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, enable touch sensitivity. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on accessibility, scroll down, click on timing controls, click on touch and hold delay. Now here you will see three options: short, medium, long. Select that you want. After selecting, enable touch sensitivity from your phone. Now go back. After that, remove screen protector. After remove screen protector, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on system updates, scroll down, click on check for update, and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix not responding to touch in Moto G77. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.